In 3, 2, 1. Hi guys! This is Josie from Lux Unboxing. Kumusta kayo, mga katandem? I want to congratulate Writing in Tandem for reaching the 300,000 subscriber milestone. Awesome job, guys. I think that's amazing. I can't imagine what that must feel. I also want to say thank you to Aram and Elaine for this collaboration. Right now, I know that times are very tough with COVID and everything else that's going on, which is why I want to give back to my fellow Filipinos. We'll be doing a 10,000 peso giveaway, and there will be 2 winners that will be selected for 5K each. And all you need to do is 1, to join, you need to subscribe to both RIT and Lux Unboxing. And 2, you also need to watch, like, and share 3 of my videos. And 3, select any video to comment why you need the money, maybe for rent, food, medicine, bills, or to help somebody else out. And also, the most important thing is number 4, add the hashtag RIT300KLux at the end of your comment. That way I know that you're part of this giveaway. And remember, this is a very special collaboration with RIT. I think that they've done such a phenomenal job, and I'm very honored to be chosen to do this collaboration. The winners will be announced in a separate video after 3 weeks. Remember, this is a very specific giveaway only to RIT and Lux Unboxing for Philippine members only. And so don't forget to 1, subscribe to both RIT and Lux Unboxing. 2, watch, like, and share 3 of my videos. And 3, don't forget to comment why you need to hashtag or why you need the money with the hashtag RIT300KLux. I wish everyone good luck and mabuhay. Keep safe, everyone. And, oh, wait. Really important, okay? I've also decided to give a 200 peso cell phone load to 5 lucky winners as well. So we'll have the major giveaways, which will be the 10,000K for 2 winners, and then 5 separate winners that will receive the 200 peso cell phone giveaways. Take care, everyone. Bye.